Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm sharing a quick and easy scrambled egg which can be made in the kettle. Kettle cooking is helpful if you are a student and living in a hostel, or if you are living alone, or if you are traveling. You can whip up small meals in the kettle in a very short time. I have already shared many kettle recipes which is updated in a playlist titled Cooking in the Kettle. Links will be updated below this video, so please do check it out. These kettle recipes are for students to help them make a quick wholesome meal in their hostel. So let's get started with the recipe. Now to make this scrambled egg, I have already added in a small bowl 1 whole egg, 5 shallots sliced. Now instead of shallots you can use half or 1/4 of a medium sized onion, 1 green chili sliced, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder, and pink Himalayan salt as needed. Now if you prefer, you can add in some grated carrots and 1 chopped tomato in this. I'm just sticking to the basic ingredients today. Now whisk this up with a fork. So I have put the knob on the noodle and pasta setting and turn on the kettle. Now remember that this kettle heats up pretty fast, so you need to keep all the ingredients ready at hand. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Now instead of coconut oil, you can use any unrefined oil like mustard oil, groundnut oil, or even desi ghee. Once the kettle is heated up, it will automatically turn off, but yes, you can turn on again. So once the oil is heated, add in the egg mixture and wait for about 20 to 30 seconds, and then with a spatula lightly scramble the egg. And if the kettle has turned off at this point, you can manually turn on the kettle. Scramble the egg for about 30 to 40 seconds and the egg will get cooked in about a minute or two. Once the egg is nicely cooked, remove to a plate. It took just under 5 minutes to make this scrambled egg in the kettle. Serve the scrambled egg with brown bread, and super easy quick breakfast is ready. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how this turned out. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video with family and friends. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.